So we've been doing our ultrasound news roundup since the start of 2024, but we've actually been tracking the latest news in the ultrasound market for the last few years, almost since I've joined the company, since I've been working on ultrasound. But doing the roundup, it's been really interesting to actually see all of the different stories collected together in one place, and it's a really helpful way of seeing sort of the trends that are impacting the market. One of the key ones is that we're seeing a lot more on the use of AI to optimize the workflow and improve efficiency. This is in the midst of the big workforce challenges that we're seeing worldwide. So that's been a really interesting thing just to see all in one place since the start of the year. And it's again something we've seen this month with the development that the AI company Sonio has been acquired by Samsung. We've said in the past in our previous reports that we're seeing AI companies and ultrasound OEMs work closer together, and it's something we expected to see moving forward. And this is just another example of that. Sonio have actually been a company we've been aware of for a while with the large, the funding that they've raised and the solutions they've had approved. And we're really interested to see how the company will proceed post-acquisition. They say they're going to remain an independent company with solutions that are vendor neutral or vendor agnostic. So it'd be interesting to see how those dynamics play out, because you would assume that being acquired by one of the OEMs, that in time the solutions would only be on the OEM's platform. But that's something we really interesting to see how it proceeds. It'll also be interesting to see what the other vendors do in response. We saw last year GE and Philips make big high-profile acquisitions. Obviously Samsung have now made theirs. It will also be interesting to follow and see what the next development will be. Will one of the other vendors also buy someone, or will there be a new AI solution that they release, either through partnership or natively developed? Those are the really interesting things that I look forward to covering in the ultrasound news roundup in the coming months.